Hey guys, how to withdraw money from crypto.com. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the official website of crypto.com. Now what you're gonna do, visit the crypto.com exchange and select login button or login with your account on crypto.com. Unfortunately, I can't do it because it will ask me for ID verification, all that. So I will demonstrate how it's done in simplest way possible, right? First of all, second of all, after you've logged into your account, click wallet and then find your cryptocurrency to withdraw and then select the withdraw from the menu. And then find your cryptocurrency to withdraw and select withdraw. There are two ways to withdraw cryptocurrency from an exchange: withdraw to external wallet address or withdraw to your crypto.com app if you have connected your crypto.com app to the exchange, right? And now what you're gonna do after you select for example crypto.com app, so enter the amount that you want to withdraw and then select review withdrawal. Once you are ready and review the withdrawal details, input your SMS OTP and Google verification code and then select confirm withdrawal. Withdrawal time to the crypto.com app is instant. And for more information on withdrawals from the exchange, please visit the deposit and withdrawals on the exchange, right? So first of all, you need to first convert your crypto to cash or to your currency, and then you're gonna follow along the on-screen instructions to actually select the withdrawal method and then withdraw to your bank account that uses that same currency. So let's read on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.